is the 3rd of March, 2021. I'm about to do some testing of sugar cane gas, and the test I started to use is this one. I was using testing earlier this morning, and there's a piece of styrofoam. That's this styrofoam, and that's what I'm using to clean out the press. So I can take my packaging material, and it's a quick way to clean out a press, and that's good enough for another test. And got the cone open, and there's my styrofoam coming out. This is about when I discovered that the slot was wasting tight on this thing. Okay, it took me maybe 15 minutes to take out the bolts on either side. Take out the bolts there. Now this resistor bar and its teeth come out. And I took out the bolts that hold this plate. 2 more. And took out 4 of these bolts. So all this will come apart real easily now. Disconnecting the air hoses from the air cylinder. Pulling off the tailstock. Sliding off the cone. Prying off the, I don't know what to call that plate. Comes out real easily, and that's how we do it. We are sliding on the new screen. This one has 15 thousandths of an inch slot. That's what I want to use. 400 microns. So this is spent the gas. And once I see some coming out the discharge here, I'll close the cone. Okay, here's stuff making its way out. Close the discharge cone. That was a resistor tooth hitting a plate, but it's okay. Now the trick is to keep a little pile over the screw all the time.
Dump it?
Yeah, not the whole thing. Just feed it. That's how it feeds in. And, starting to get liquid out here. Now the cone's already started to open on me. And I've got stable operation. Yep. Yeah, if you keep the screw covered just like that, so for running a test, we'll have constant air pressure, constant screw RPM, and make sure we've got the screw covered at the inlet for a constant level effect. And I'm ready to start a time test. Oh, this cake coming out is quite dry.